Customers are the lifeblood of any business, and communicating effectively with them is essential for success in the tire industry. We all want first-time customers to become loyal and long-term ones. While each customer interaction is unique, let's categorize customers into common types to understand their needs and make them loyal for life. First, a new customer presents a unique opportunity, as it's someone unfamiliar with directly experiencing your business. Perhaps they were drawn in by advertising, your reputation, or a positive referral. Whatever the case, this is your chance to make a great first impression. This focuses not just on their immediate need like brakes or a new set of tires, but truly understanding the reasoning behind that purchase through conversation. Specifying their priorities and concerns allows you to recommend the ideal solution tailored to their specific situation. If the experience goes well, that new customer can transition into an active customer, making repeat purchases. There's a big difference between an active customer and a truly loyal one, though. An active customer may still be willing to look elsewhere, so it's critical to continue meeting and even exceeding their needs with each visit to cement that loyalty. You may also encounter at-risk customers who were once loyal but have become dissatisfied for one reason or another. Perhaps your competition surpassed you in service, pricing, or any other metric. Timing is important here. You need to quickly identify and remedy any sources of dissatisfaction before they completely lapse and take their business elsewhere. An at-risk customer often doesn't cut ties abruptly. It's usually a gradual tapering off in activity. Stay vigilant for declining spending patterns among your regulars, and don't hesitate to solicit feedback on where you may be falling short. If a loyal customer does lapse, make an effort to rekindle that relationship by getting to the root cause of why they left. Their perspective can be valuable for preventing other loyal customers from facing the same frustrations down the road, and could help you rebuild that relationship you once had with that customer. No matter what type of customer it is, tailoring your communication approach for each type is essential for fostering loyal customer relationships. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.